Creating formulas. You build formulas using the four mathematical operators: the plus sign, the minus sign, the asterisk for multiplication, the slash for division. Operators are symbols that indicate what mathematical or logical operation you want the formula to perform. You can create a formula using constants, cell references, or cell references and a constant. You start a formula by moving to an empty cell where you want the results of the formula to appear and typing the equal sign, which tells Excel to get ready for a formula and to alert that it is not text. There are two ways to enter a formula into a cell: manually or by pointing to a cell reference. The real power of formulas comes into play when you use cell referencing to perform their calculations. A formula can contain up to 8,000 characters. You can display the formula rather than its results. When you cut and paste a formula, move it to another location, the cell references in the formula aren't adjusted. Again, this is usually what you want to happen. When you move a formula, you generally want it to continue to refer to the original cells. Functions are the workhorse of Excel.